Hi, my name is Leighton Davis and I am the director and the co-founder of the Full EV. The Full EV started around 3 years ago as a passion project. Having spent 15 years in the automotive industry, I could see the shift towards electric vehicles, and having spoken to customers and listening to their concerns, we quickly identified there was a real need out there for customers to get real information, too much misinformation and not enough support. And that's where the Full EV was born.
So we wanted a local Cardiff team to come and fit them, so if we had any problems at all, we could contact them and they could come over the same day and fix any issues we had.
We appreciate that most of our customers have never bought an EV charger before, so they don't even know what questions to ask. We adopt a consultative approach, taking them through with a series of questions which help us deliver the right solution to meet their needs best. For workplace and commercial charging, there are lots of things to consider, such as who's going to pay for the electricity, who are you going to allow to charge, and when. And that combination requires usually hardware and the right software platform to manage the chargers in a seamless way. We've done many installations of workplace and commercial chargers, so we know which combinations are going to work best for every single situation.
At the Full EV, we believe in supporting customers right the way throughout their journey, from system design to implementation to aftercare. We help customers understand what grant funding is available and process their applications. After already helping hundreds of customers and businesses throughout the UK, making their journey simple and straightforward, the Full EV are proud to continue our own commitment to a more sustainable future.